If you've ever looked at a spreadsheet full of numbers and thought, okay, but what does this actually mean? That's exactly what data visualization solves. And in this video, I'll break it down simply so you know what it is, why it matters, and how to use it better. Data visualization is just turning raw numbers into something your brain can process quickly. Charts, graphs, maps, dashboards. That's it. Instead of scanning 500 rows of sales data, you see a bar chart. Instead of reading a table of customer locations, you see a map. Your brain processes visuals 60,000 times faster than text. So a good chart can communicate in seconds what a report takes minutes to explain. Here's where most businesses get this wrong. They think more data means better decisions. It doesn't. Useful data does. And data only becomes useful when you can see patterns in it. Let's say your sales dropped last month. A table shows you the numbers. A chart shows you when they started dropping, which product drove it, and which region was affected. All at a glance. That's the difference between data that sits in a report and data that actually drives a decision. The three things good data visualization does. It tells you what's happening. At a glance, it shows you where to look. By highlighting what's unusual, it helps you communicate faster. To your team, your manager, your leadership. One quick thing to watch out for. More visuals doesn't mean more clarity. Cramming 10 charts on a dashboard usually means no one reads any of them. Pick the metric that matters most for the decision you're trying to make, and visualize that. Simple beats impressive every time. Data visualization isn't a technical skill, it's a communication skill. And once you see your data clearly, you make faster, more confident decisions. If you found this useful, subscribe. We cover topics like this to help business teams work smarter with their data. See you in the next one.
Losing hours on data analysis? Scoop investigates for you and provides answers in 45 seconds. Don't know why revenue dropped? Scoop tests multiple hypotheses and finds the root cause in under a minute. Scoop Analytics is your AI data scientist.